Hey, it's Mia. We're here at Corolla, North Carolina. We're going to take a stroll with our sick bikes around the neighborhood, see what's all about. First time here, and we're super stoked. Stay tuned.
We're going to hop on Highway 12 and head on down to 4x4 Beach. So come along with us.
Oh, we brought this West Virginia weather down here with us. It's like 40 degrees with a wind chill of negative hell. It's pretty cold. Or windmilling. That don't make no sense. You got all this wind, why ain't you using it? Whew.
Slowing down here because I see my dad in the distance and we're gonna pass him.
As we're going slow, we can take a look at this wetland and see some of the beauty that North Carolina has to offer.
Hey!
We're going down to the beach.
Woohoo!
Look how pretty.
Mm-hmm. I wonder where he parked.
I don't know.
I didn't see his car back there.
I probably pulled into one of these housing complexes. Like, what are you doing? There's a guy that shovels when he walks, really. That motherfucker.
Yeah, those Fox water gloves would be pretty nice right about now. We go. Oh God, I about ran right into that sign and almost died. Yeah. No stopping for any reason. Yeah. It's the ocean. There's lots of boats in the ocean. Mm-hmm. I ain't allowed to go that way.
We're down here on 4x4 Beach, and luckily our Merino bikes are built with pretty wide tires. They are set up on 27.5 inch by 2.8s on Mia's bike and 27.5 by 2.6 on mine, so we can ride on the sand pretty well without sinking in. However, we did find we really need to stay down near where the sand is wet, where the tides are coming in, to be able to keep up our speed.
Ooh, look at that. I'm in the ocean. I'm riding my bike in the ocean. BMX Pete doing first down things. You ever rode your bike in the ocean? I have. Oh gosh, I'm in the ocean. I'm in the ocean. Ooh. Look at me. She's not in the ocean, but I am. Out here on Corolla Beach at the Outer Banks in North Carolina. Just out here enjoying a beautiful day, doing some mountain biking. Mia's walking into the ocean. Her toes are getting wet. Oh, honey, you can keep going down the beach. There's just no cars. Okay.
The boardwalk here at Corolla Beach is pretty awesome. You can get out and get to everything you need without having to get in the road or risk being in traffic. And right now we're going to head on back into Corolla Light and go check out the lighthouse. So roll along with us. So it turns out we were both wrong about where he parked his car.
Hello again.
He left from the house and walked all the way to the beach. Manlier than we are. We just rode our bikes.
So one of the beautiful things about Corolla Beach, North Carolina is the lighthouse. So it may look like it's cold out, but I promise you, it is way warmer than where we're from. So happy riding to everybody back east who's riding in the snow and the cold. So I think that's it for us today, folks. It's getting cold. The sun's going to set in about an hour or so, and we're going to hit some of those epic sunset views on Corolla Beach. Thanks for joining us today here on Pete's channel. Like, subscribe, eat a donut, hit that notification bell to receive all the awesome notifications on upcoming videos. Thanks so much.